How was everyone's night?
Mine was good. I lost you guys. I only saw you in the beginning.
I know.
I had a great time. What about you?
I had a great time.
It was fun, but I'm wicked hungry.
Yeah, me too.
I'm craving for some pizza.
Pizza!
Oh,
Domino's!
my
We
God.
should get Domino's. I bet
Yes.
they're still open.
Okay, yeah, Domino's.
I bet they're open.
Yes.
Okay, who wants to call? Becca, will you?
Oh, yeah, I'll call.
Okay. We'll Venmo you.
Thank you, good. Hello. I would like to order a large cheese pizza for delivery, please.
Oh, get cheesy bread. You need to.
Oh, sorry. One moment. What do we want?
We want cheesy bread too.
Okay, and also a cheesy bread, please. Thank you.
Waste my time, I'll show 'em what I'm made of. 'Cause nothing scares me, and that's what I'm afraid of. Behind the full moon, there's only night sky. The end is so soon, and I don't care.
What is palm oil, you might ask? Domino's knows what palm oil is. Palm oil is a serious problem, and it's in your pizza. Palm oil is a cheap form of edible oil that is grown widely in tropical places like Indonesia. It is used in 50% of consumer goods, from detergent to cosmetics to Domino's pizza dough. An area the size of 300 American football fields of rainforest is cleared every hour to make way for palm oil production. Peatlands are burned to grow palm oil plantations, which release carbon dioxide into the atmosphere. Clearing 1 hectare of peat forest can release 6,000 tons of carbon dioxide. Indonesia has currently cleared around 6 million hectares of tropical peat forest. Palm oil production also leads to habitat loss for innocent endangered animals. Because of palm oil production, orangutans are critically endangered, with only 118,000 left in the wild. There are 1,500 Borneo elephants left in the wild, 400 to 500 Sumatran tigers, and less than 100 Sumatran rhinos. The sun bear population has decreased by at least 75% due to habitat loss by palm oil production.
At Domino's, we know that the foundation of great tasting pizza is a perfect base,
That base is palm oil.
which is why we take the time to make our dough fresh in store daily. Domino's deep pan crust is a real hunger buster.
And a rainforest buster.
It's thick, generous, and tasty. Made with flour, water, yeast, it's made fresh in store daily and is preservative free.
But not palm oil free.
Proofing the deep dish base relaxes the gluten, which gives us a beautiful soft dough with a mature taste.
Tasty like the blood of dead orangutans.
It also gives the base a better texture, creating a crispy crust and a light, fluffy center. This crust really gives you more dough for your bite and will definitely leave you feeling satisfied.
Definitely not satisfied with the destruction of rainforests because of palm oil production. So, let's tell Stefan and the CEO of Domino's, J. Patrick Doyle, as well as the entire international corporation of Domino's, that we will no longer support them if they continue to use palm oil.
Let's take action by writing letters to Domino's CEO about their usage of palm oil and to demand that they stop using it immediately. I wrote a letter, and you can too.
There are other pizza places, but there's only one planet.